It's Valentine's Day and you're most likely looking for a recipe for your date. We're going to show you a very easy, stress-free chocolate mousse that you can make in no time at all, so you can have more time to get ready for your date. So, to start with, put a bowl over a pot with boiling water, but make sure the water isn't touching the bowl. Drop your chocolate pieces in a knob of butter and stir occasionally until the chocolate melts. Next, we're going to whip up some cream. It takes quite a lot of time if you do it by hand, so you should better off use a mixer. Separate 3 eggs. Today we're gonna use only the egg whites. If you're using a mixer, it should take no time at all. Now to flavor our mousse, add a drizzle of vanilla extract into the whipped cream, a dash of chocolate liqueur and the zest of an orange. Then add your melted chocolate and incorporate all the ingredients. When the cream and the chocolate is incorporated, add your meringue into batches and fold it over very carefully to not knock off all the air out. We're serving our mousse in these glasses because it looks fancy, but you can serve it any way you want. You can also add any flavor combination you want, we're just demonstrating our favorite. Chocolate and coffee is another great combination. Put them in the fridge for half an hour and the mousse is ready. Of course, you can keep it in the fridge for days. We're also making caramel to make our dessert look good. Put sugar and a dash of water in a pan on a medium heat, and when it starts to look and smell like caramel, take it off the heat and drop it in a baking sheet with baking paper. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes to solidify and then break it up into pieces. Now to serve our dessert, we're just going to dust it lightly with cocoa and put maybe 3 or 4 caramel pieces on top. It's super creamy and light and it will definitely impress your date. If that doesn't work, nothing will. If you liked our recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes.